Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to create a post on Binance Square using desktop and earn points in the hashtag Traders League campaign. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Binance website. First, go to Binance.com on your browser and log in to your account. At the top menu, click on Square. Step 2. Search for hashtag Traders League. Once inside Binance Square, click on the search bar. Type hashtag Traders League and open the hashtag page. Before posting, quickly check the campaign rules and requirements. Step 3. Create a post. Now, click on Create Post. Write your content related to trading ideas, market analysis, strategies, or your experience. Make sure to include the hashtag Traders League and any other required tags. You can also add images to make your post more attractive. Step 4. Publish and earn points. Click Post to publish. To earn more points, follow the campaign rules, get engagement like likes and comments, stay active during the event. Outro. That's it. Now you know how to post on Binance Square using desktop and participate in hashtag Traders League.